We would like to be able to predict the chemical formula and name of the ionic compound that is formed when two elements combine. If we're taking a metal and a nonmetal, we know the compound should be ionic and that we will need to use the naming scheme for ionic compounds. Our first example is when calcium and nitrogen are combined. Looking at the periodic table, calcium is in group 2A, meaning the calcium ion has a 2+ charge. Nitrogen is in group 5A, meaning that the nitride ion has a 3- charge. Compounds are neutral, so in order to get the charges to neutralize, we would need 3 calcium ions and 2 nitride ions. Note that 3 calcium ions would have a total 6+ charge, while 2 nitride ions would have a total 6- charge. The chemical formula is Ca3N2. Since the compound is neutral, there are no charges in the chemical formula. We would name this compound calcium nitride. We can do the same problem with copper and chlorine. Consulting the periodic table, chlorine is in group 7A, so the chloride ion will have a 1- charge. Copper is in the D block, so its charges are variable. You are not expected to know what the charges are for all of the transition metals, but rather will be told in the problem. For copper, the common charges are 1+ and 2+, so there will be 2 different compounds with different chemical formulas and different names. For copper 1+, we only need 1 copper ion and 1 chloride ion to neutralize each other. The chemical formula will be CuCl. The name we give to this compound will require a Roman numeral to designate the charge on copper. The name is copper 1 chloride. We only use Roman numerals for elements with variable charges. For the compound with copper 2+, we would need 2 chlorides to neutralize 1 copper ion. The chemical formula is CuCl2. The name of this compound is copper 2 chloride. Keep in mind that the Roman numeral corresponds to the charge on the ion, not to the subscripts in the formula.